The B7 starts as a BMW 7 Series. From there, Alpina, a specialty automotive company in Germany that's closely aligned with BMW, applies its own performance upgrades and styling changes. Though sold in the United States as a BMW, the B7 is available through Alpina as the B7 bi-turbo in the other markets. The exclusivity provided by the name and the subtle exterior modifications, including the 20-spoke Alpina wheels, gives the B7 a distinct appearance versus the standard 7 Series. While the previous generation of the B7 was available in standard or long wheelbase variants with either rear or all-wheel drive, the current B7 only comes in one long wheelbase model with standard all-wheel drive. Alpina prioritized refinement versus the all-out performance found in vehicle for BMW's M division. That doesn't mean the B7 is slow. Its turbocharged V8 still cranks out a sweet 600 horsepower, or 1 horsepower shy of the output from the M760i's turbo 6.6-liter V12. In your search for supreme luxury, you'll find a few competitors that offer similar levels of performance and exclusivity, including the Mercedes-AMG S63 and Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid. There's no way to go wrong with this group, but certainly the 2018 Alpina B7 is a commendable choice. What's new for 2018? Standard equipment now includes the parking assistant package, which add a suite of cameras that show the exterior from a variety of angles. The 2018 BMW Alpina B7 is otherwise unchanged. We recommend, because the 2018 BMW Alpina B7 comes in the single trim, you'll only have to decide on color, upholstery and option packages. The adaptive cruise and lane keeping assist make the driving assistance plus package worth the money, as does the clarity and power available in the optional Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system. Apple CarPlay is a must for iPhone user, but you can't skip the extensive rear seat upgrades unless you plan on regularly chaffering VIPs. Trim levels and features. The Alpina B7 is a 4-door, high-performance and equally luxurious sedan that is available in one highly equipped trim level. As in the BMW 7 Series on which it is based, its wheelbase matches that of the previous generation's long wheelbase variants, providing extra room in the backseat. There's only one engine choice, and it's a good one. A twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, 600 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, and 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive are standard. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically comes in multiple versions that are fundamentally similar. The ratings in this review are based on our full test of the 2017 BMW Alpina B7. Driving. You'd expect a lot from 600 horsepower, but somehow this sedan still over-delivers. Acceleration is simply bewildering. More impressive though is how confidently this large and heavy sedan handles and stops. The agility and quickness make the B7 capable and immensely satisfying to drive. Comfort. The B7 delivers comfort in spades. The supportive seats have wide adjustability and relaxing massage settings. The suspension and noise insulation protect the interior from most of the outside world. While the climate controls are powerful, the high level of the adjustment seems needless. Interior. The fundamentals of the B7's interior, from getting inside to getting comfortable to seeing out, are the stellar. And while you can get familiar with the bulk of the interior controls, the reliance on touch-sensitive switches and abundance of adjustments can be a source of frequent frustration. Utility. A large vehicle has advantages when it comes to space, and the B7 makes full use of its size. The trunk is massive. While the interior has plenty of storage for small items, installing car seats can be annoying, but you probably wouldn't want kids touching leather this nice anyway. Technology: BMW has taken the kitchen sink approach, adding everything plus more. The overall package has a solid foundation, but it's hampered by gimmicks. The gesture controls give false positives, and the overly complicated key fob adds little benefits and many inconveniences, such as requiring charging.